This is Pixelic. Pixelic lets you collect and track design feedback to make better product decisions together as one team. Let's start with sharing design on Slack directly from Figma. You can share individual components as well as user flows from Figma to Slack while keeping the design and version history in Pixelic. Now your design is shared with the team on Slack. Your team then can give design feedback simply by replying to the thread here. All of the comments on Slack will get synced with Pixelic. If a teammate leaves a comment here, it will also be captured there. It's really a two-way sync. You can visit Pixelic if you want to give more detailed feedback, such as annotating a specific area. Now that you've collected some good feedback from your team, it's time to take some action. Simply turn comments into tasks, and you can view them on the task board page on the right. Group them together at the component level so you don't lose any context when switching between tasks. You can share and sync components by uploading from your local files through the Figma plugin or by directly exporting from the Chrome browser. As you iterate towards a final design, you can manage all of the comments and the design history on the component page. Let's ship products people love together. Pixelic.